We are pleased to show you the 2017 CLA. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, leather-wrapped steering wheel. The CLA comes with impressive handling, excellence, and luxury interiors. It has amazingly sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.